Today, we're diving into one of the automotive world's biggest mysteries. Why is the Toyota Hilux, a $13,000 global icon that's been battle-tested in war zones and Top Gear's torture chambers, banned in America? This isn't just about tariffs or emissions. It's a story of political games, corporate wars, and a truck so tough it scared Uncle Sam. Let's hit the gas. 1. The Hilux's rise and fall in America. Global legend, American ghost. The Hilux debuted in the US in 1972, revolutionizing pickup trucks with its durability and comfort. By the 1990s, it dominated global markets, but vanished from America by 1995, replaced by the Tacoma. Top Gear's ultimate test. Jeremy Clarkson's infamous 2007 Top Gear segment proved the Hilux's indestructibility. Crashing, drowning, and even dropping it from a building couldn't kill it. Yet, America deemed it too risky. Cultural shift. US buyers favored larger trucks, while the Hilux's compact size and diesel engines clashed with American preferences for gas-guzzling V6s. 2. The chicken tax and regulatory warfare. 1963 trade war. The chicken tax began as retaliation against European tariffs on US poultry, but evolved into a 25% tax on imported trucks. This made the Japan-built Hilux $25K plus in the US too expensive to compete with Ford or Chevy. Emissions and safety battles. Modern Hilux models fail US EPA standards due to diesel engines and lack NHTSA crash test certifications. Even Mexico's Hilux, importing US fuel, stays south of the border. The Tacoma loophole. Toyota sidestepped tariffs by building the Tacoma in Texas, tailored to US tastes, bigger cabs, gas engines, and luxury features. 3. The underground Hilux black market. Gray market smuggling. Enthusiasts import Hilux trucks via the 25-year rule or Mexican registrations, but face police inspections, fines, and registration nightmares. Florida's kinda legal scene. Forums reveal loopholes, registering Hiluxes in Mexico or using shell companies to dodge tariffs. One Florida owner daily drives a Skyline GTR. Could the Hilux be next? Cost of rebellion. Importing a 2021 Hilux costs $30K plus. Modifications to meet US specs. Another $25K for emissions and safety retrofits. 4. Will the Hilux ever return? Electric hope. Toyota's $70 BEV investment could revive the Hilux as a zero-emission model, bypassing diesel bans. But without a US factory, tariffs still loom. CAFE standards. Stricter MPG rules favor smaller trucks, yet the Hilux's 27 MPG isn't enough. Ford's Maverick, 40 MPG, outsells expectations. Could Toyota follow? Fan revolt. Online petitions and forums buzz with demands. Bring back the Hilux. But Toyota remains silent, prioritizing Tacoma's $33K plus profits. Conclusion and call to action. So, is the Hilux technically banned? Not exactly, but between tariffs, regulations, and America's love for supersized trucks, it might as well be. If you want Toyota to unban the Hilux, smash that like button, and let's make some noise. Comment below. Would you trade your Tacoma for a Hilux?